Welcome back to New Gore City News, reporting to you live from downtown New Gore City. It's as chaotic as always, and well, there really isn't anything else about the news. But on to the weather. It is supposed to rain today. It is expected to storm. So today might not be the best day to be going outside and enjoying the desert weather. It's very rare to find rain in this portion of Goreland. So yeah. Anyways, on to politics. The mayor of New Gore City, Bacon the Gamer, has decided that it would be a good idea to add a huge new neighborhood and a huge new a commercial center to attract more citizens and to provide more jobs for the residents. The Steel Leaf military we also have reports from the Steel Leaf private research facility that there is a new virus going around. It's not as deadly as the other CPD 2041 strains and viruses. It's CPD 2041A-B. It's not very deadly. It's like the flu, but with slightly more severe symptoms and and it can survive harsh climate, such as very hot and humid areas like rainforests and other biomes. The National Weather Service Office in downtown New Gore City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Gore County and the northwestern peninsula, southwestern Gore County and the northwestern peninsula, southwestern Gore County and the northwestern peninsula, southeastern Gorebox County in the northwestern peninsula, southeastern Gore City County in the northwestern I keep forgetting my words. In the northwestern peninsula until 6:15 p.m. At 5:30 p.m. Desert Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing severe rain. Not capable of producing anything. 9.5 miles west of New Gore City, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: 35-mile-an-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This storm is expected to enter New Gore City in 15 minutes. This storm is expected to enter Gore City in 25 minutes. This storm is expected to enter Goretown and Goreville in the next 35 minutes. Then this storm is expected to diverge east of Goretown and enter the New Gore City metropolitan area in 1 hour and 20 minutes. If you live in or live within a 10 to 15 mile radius of any of these areas, you are advised to seek shelter and stay indoors. The winds that this storm produces could be hazardous to loose objects. Loose objects can be hazardous as they can damage vehicles, homes, and other infrastructure. The storm is not expected to produce a tornado, but it could. This storm has the ability and meets the requirements necessary to produce a tornado. Stay vigilant and stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this developing situation. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. We just got reports that a storm is rolling in. Now, folks, now is the time to go inside and stay inside. Anyways, the temperatures are cool, 70 degrees outside with a humidity of 20 and a dew point of 36. So it's a nice day outside, but it's very rainy, so I don't know about that nice part, but it is still a good day to open your windows and, listen to the rain. Anyways, as of now, all residents in New Gore City are advised to stay indoors and bring loose objects inside. Now, if we look at this severe storm, it looks like it's heading towards Goretown and Goreville, and it's expected to strike these towns in 20 minutes. So, you guys over there in Goretown and Goreville, get inside, stay inside, and move your loose objects indoors. Very dangerous to have loose objects outside, and so very dangerous. And the National Weather Service office in downtown New Gore City has issued a tornado watch for northeastern Gore County in the northwestern peninsula, southwestern Gorebox County in the northwestern peninsula, southwestern Gore County in the northwestern peninsula, southwestern Gore County in the northwestern peninsula, southeastern Gorebox County in the northwestern peninsula, until 9:35 p.m. At 6 p.m. Desert Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar detected rotation inside the severe storm. This rotation, however minor, could produce a tornado. All residents in the listed counties within a 10 to 15 mile radius of any of these counties are advised to seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, and preferably away from any windows and exterior walls. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes. But that doesn't mean that tornadoes ended. But for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, preferably one away from windows and exterior walls. If you do not have, or move to a storm cellar or basement. If no such shelter is available, drive to the closest. Try and find the closest substantial shelter that you can find and protect yourself from flying debris. If you cannot find a substantial shelter, lie flat in a ditch and cover your head with your hands. If it is necessary and you can't find a ditch or substantial shelter, you could hide in your vehicle, though this is not recommended due to the amount of windows in your vehicle. Vehicles can also be easily picked up by tornadoes and thrown around. But if you must hide in your vehicle, duck under the windows, keep your seatbelt on, and cover your head with your hands. This is the best way to stay safe. If you are in the path of a tornado and you can't find a shelter, and the tornado is far enough away, you can try and calmly get out of the way of a tornado's path. If the tornado does not look to be moving, that means it's moving right towards you. You should immediately try and calmly get out of the way of the tornado until you can see it rotating. Remember, tornadoes can have erratic paths that could put others in extreme danger. A severe thunderstorm warning still remains in effect for some parts of Gore and Gorebox counties. 2 hours later. The National Weather Service in downtown New Gore City has issued a flood warning for Gore County, Gorebox County, and Gore City counties. This storm is producing severe rain that will flood low-lying areas. If you are near a river or a stream, you are advised to evacuate the area until you are no longer near a body of water. Low bodies of water like rivers can easily flood over and produce aerial flooding. A severe thunderstorm warning and tornado watch still remain in effect. If you live in Gore County, Gorebox County, or Gore City County, you are required to evacuate and leave areas near bodies of water that can easily flood over. Oh crap, I live near a lake. Oh jeez. I can't find... Okay. I can't evacuate. There's nowhere for me to go. Okay. Right. Yup. I'm gonna have to go inside. I'm at the highest point of this building. Pretend that the area is slowly flooding. I do have a flood mod, but for some reason I can't enable it. Oh, jeez. I hope this area doesn't get flooded out. Oh, I see water on the sand. That's not good. There. Oh, water's rising. Crap. I'm in a bad place. I'm at a wrong place at the wrong time right now. Okay. Well, the best I can do is try and leave. I know this bottom floor is almost completely flooded, but I'm gonna try and swim up. Whew! I'm at the top. Okay. This is nice. I'm gonna try and swim. Alright, I'm swimming. Look at that, that's crazy. Ugh. Alright, I'm gonna try and swim. Okay, alright. I think we're good. The flood has reached its height. It's max height, and I just slipped. Well, I just slipped again. That's not good. I just slipped yet again. Alright. Oh no. The water's slowly rising. I think I'm drowning. Crap. Oh! I can fly. I don't know how I was able to do this. I can fly away. Yep, this is nice. Bye-bye, world.